Today we start exercise 5.1 question number first. For what value of the x matrix 1 1 x minus 2 2 2 3 1 minus 3 is similar? We know that value of determinant is 0, then it is similar. So we first write in form of determinant 1 1 x minus 2 2 2 3 1 minus 3, and it is similar, so equals to 0. We extend this determinant from first row 1 as it is, this column and this row delete, minus 6 minus 2 minus 6 minus 2 and minus minus plus 2, this column and this row delete, minus 3 minus x plus 3 as it is, this column and this row delete, 2 minus 2x equals to 0. On simplify, minus 8 minus 6 minus 2x plus 6 minus 6 equals to 0. Plus 6 and minus 6 cancel out. We have minus 8 minus 2x minus 6x equals to 0, and minus 8 minus 8x equals to 0. 8x equals to 8 minus 8, sorry, and x equals to minus 1. Our answer. Question number second. If a matrix 1 3 1 minus 1 0 0 2 minus 2 3, then find adjoint of A and prove that A into adjoint A equals to value of determinant into unit matrix equals to adjoint of A into A. We first find adjoint of A. We know that adjoint of A is transpose of cofactors. So we first find cofactor of each element. We know that cofactor of each element given by Cij equals to minus 1 to the power I plus j into Mij, where Mij is minor of elements. We first find cofactor of A11 given by C11. We write here 1 and 1, it is positive. This column and this rows delete. We have 0 0 minus 2 3, and C11 gives 0. We write cofactor of 1 2 minus, we delete this column and this row, 3 minus 2 3 minus 2 and 1 and 3. So we write 9 and minus minus plus 11, 11 minus 11. C13 is positive. 13 this element, so write minor, we delete this column and this row, we get 3 0 1 0, and cofactor of A13 element is 13 is 0. Next we find cofactor of this element is C21 minus this row and this column delete. We have minus 1, 2, 0 and 3. Minus 3, so we write minus minus plus C21 is 3. Next we write C22 is positive. This element is C22, so we find minor this column and this row delete. We have 1, 2 and 1, 3. 3 minus 2, 1. So C22 is 1. Next we find C23 is minus this element A23, this column and this row delete. We get 1 minus 1, 1 and 0. 0 minus minus plus, but final answer is minus 1. Next, C31 positive. We delete this row and this column. We get minus 1, 2, 0, minus 2, and we have minus 2 into 1, minus 1 is 2. C32, this column and this row delete. 1, 2, 3, minus 2. 1, 2, 3, minus 2, and 3, 2 is negative. So minus 2 and minus 6, minus 8 and minus minus plus. C33 is positive. This column and this row delete. We have 1 minus 1, 3, 0. 0 and minus minus plus. So we have C33 is plus 3. We find adjoint of A. Adjoint of A given by C11, C12, C13, C21, C22, C23, C31, C32, C33 transpose of this matrix. We put value of this C1, C11, 2, 13 from here. We have C11 0, C12 minus 11 and 13 0, 213 22 is 1 and 23 is minus 1 and 32 is 2 and 31 is 2 and 32 is 8 and 33 is 3. On transposition, we have value of adjoint of A given by 0, 3, 2, minus 11, 1, 8, 0, minus 1, 3. Next, we prove that this A into adjoint of A equals to value of determinant into unit matrix equals to adjoint of A into A. We take A into adjoint of A. We write value of A is 1, 3, 1, minus 1, 0, 0, 2, minus 2 and 3, and adjoint of A is this 0, 3, 2, minus 11, 1, 8, minus 11, 1, 8, 0, minus 1, 0, minus 1 and 3. We multiply 0 into 1, 0, minus 11 into minus 1 plus 11 and 0 into 2, 0. Again we multiply this column, this row, 0, 0 and 0. We multiply 0, 0 and 0. Again we multiply this column, 3, minus 1, minus 2, 9, 0, plus 2. Multiply here 3, 0, minus 3. We multiply last column, 2, minus 8, plus 6, and 6, 0, minus 6, 2, 0 and 9. We get 11, 0, 0, 0, 11, 0, 0, 0, 11. We take 11 common. We have 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. We find value of determinant given by A11 into C11 plus A12 into C12, A13 into C13. A11 is 1 and C11 is 0, and A12 is minus 1 and minus 11 plus A13 is 0 and A13 is 2 and C13 is 0. We write 1 into 0, 0, minus plus, so we write 11, value of determinant. Here it is value of determinant, so we write, and it is 3 order unit matrix. So we write I3. Again we find adjoint of A into A. Adjoint of A 0, 3, 2, minus 11, 1, 8, 0, minus 1 and 3. Value of matrix A, sorry, right here matrix A is this 1, 3, 1, minus 1, 0, 0, 2, minus 2, 3. We multiply, if we multiply this, we get this column multiplied by this row 0 plus 9 plus 2, 1 multiplied by minus 11 and 3 multiplied by 1, 3, 1 multiplied by 8, and next 0 minus 3 plus 3. We multiply next column 0 plus 0 plus 0, 11 plus 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0 plus 0. We multiply last column, we have 0 minus 6 plus 6 minus 22 minus 2 plus 24, 0 plus 2 plus 9. So we write 11, it is 0, 0, 0, 11, 0, 0, 0 and 11. We take common 11 throughout 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. It is value of determinant, so we write, and it is 3 order unit matrix. So we prove that adjoint of A into A equals to A into adjoint of A equals to value of determinant into unit matrix. Hence proof.